Hello. Welcome to this tutorial for learning how to set up a meeting booking account on the QuaQua booking platform. QuaQua offers online meeting rooms with real-time interpretation, so all participants can interact in their preferred language. Registering and logging in on our online booking platform is now easier than ever. Visit booking.quaqua.be to get started and enjoy online meeting rooms with real-time interpretation. The first thing you'll see is the sign-in page, so click on the Sign In button to proceed to the next page. If you are new to the platform and don't have an account yet, you have to first register by clicking on the Register Now button. Now you have to choose a workspace name. We'll use Demo Company as an example here. A workspace can be used to share one account and wallet with colleagues who join your workspace. The workspace name can be your company name, team name, personal name, etc. Please do take care that your workspace name cannot contain any spaces or special characters. Finally, you need to fill in your first and last name, your email address, and choose a password. Great! Now you can click on the Register button. We will send an email to you to verify that your personal data is correct. Please check your inbox and maybe even your junk mail folder for an email from us. Once you press Confirm on the green button in the email, you are now officially a QuaQua booking platform user. This will take you directly to our booking sign-in page again. Click Sign In, which will bring you to the next page. On this page you need to fill in the workspace you've just created. Finally, you only need to fill in your email, the correct password, and you are ready to press the Login button. Now that you are logged in, it would be a good time to verify and complete your personal profile on the QuaQua booking platform. To do this, go to your name on the left bottom and click on it. This is where you will reach your profile page with your personal details. If required, you can change the language in which the QuaQua booking platform operates. The most important information is hidden behind the top right button, called Account Details. Here you will find the Workspace tab, where you can manage your workspace properties, and the Payments tab, where you can check your billing info, your QuaQua wallet, your past transactions, and your invoices. We'll start off now by clicking on the Workspace tab to check out the workspace we've just created. This tab shows you an overview of all the members of your workspace. As you can see, it's quite lonely in here, as we are currently the only member in the workspace. Now comes the fun part, because this is the moment when we get to invite other people to join your brand new workspace. To add new members, click on the Invite People button to send out an invitation for a person to join your workspace. A pop-up form will then appear to send out invitations to share your workspace. To add new people to join your workspace, just type in the email address and the name of the contact and press Add Person. A green Send an Invitation button will then appear on the bottom of the form to send out the invite by email. You can actually add another, or even multiple people to this form, so they can be all invited at once. Just fill in their email, first and last name, and click again on the Add Person button. Please keep in mind that invited members should verify their email as soon as possible and set up a password to activate their account. If you are done adding people to the invite, press the green button to send out the invitations. Alright, you finally have some company in your workspace. If you want to grant someone permission to book meetings themselves, don't forget to check the box behind their name, so it turns green. If you wish to do so, you can assign administrator privileges to other people. An admin has the right to not only add extra people to the workspace, but can also replenish the QuaQua wallet and has access to the invoicing information. To assign another administrator, click on the name of a member of the workspace. A pop-up window will appear where you can enable admin privileges or, if you wish, deactivate a specific member account. Congratulations, you just finished the first course on how to use the QuaQua platform. First of all, I want to thank you for your interest in learning all about our platform. In the next course, we are going to help you set up meetings with people all over the world, with the help of interpreters to translate the different languages. I'm happy to be able to give you a glimpse into the QuaQua community and the always expanding possibilities of the platform.